Alrighty guys, I don't know if any of you guys guessed it or thought this is what I got, but anyways, this is a 2003 Evo 8 GSR, and let me tell you, it is definitely not stock whatsoever, and I can't wait to bring content to you guys with my brand new car, my Evo 8 GSR. Full walkthrough on this car, because there is so many parts to cover and so many things to cover with this car, but that will be in a different video because this is just a reveal video. So if you guys did enjoy this video and are excited to see the future Evo 8 content, let me know down below, and I am really excited to bring you guys some more content because this car is going to be an animal, and I'm glad I'm back in an Evo that's older. So make sure you like this video, and if you guys aren't already, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.